Wake up and move. Justin Arnold back here again at Flex MP, bringing another TRX Tuesday. And this is all about, if you checked out the title of the video, who said TRX wasn't challenging, wasn't hard? Well, recently I've had a few people, it's like, who does those? Thinking the only way to get the gains or the only way to really challenge a workout is through resistance and weights and heavy weights. And while those do help, you're missing a lot of things if you aren't. So today I'm going to show you 3 movements. There's a lot more. There's hundreds of them, but I'm going to show you 3 movements that I actually did today to show those of you out there that if you're looking to take your workout to the next level, or if you're questioning the difficulty or challenging of these, and you're not including in your workout, you're really missing out. And if you're looking to go that next level in your fitness and your health and your strength, you're literally missing a key component with these. So again, 3 movements. We're going to emphasize the abs. So again, if you're looking for that 6-pack, looking to take your workouts to the next level, or you're this person that's second guessing these black and yellow straps, I challenge you to watch this video, enjoy, and then do these movements later. Of course, quality over quantity on today's TRX Tuesday. So I said 3 movements. First one, I'm going to show you. You're going to put the handles at knee level for those that are just new. So you just kind of stand with it. And we're just going to do what's called single handle mode. So there's this like tops piece. This is your foot cradle. There's a top. You're going to put it through that top, the strap, and then the back handle you're going to put through again. It should create like a little mustache here. Don't grab the mustache handle with your hands, with your feet. But with the foot's not too big of a deal. You could just also put both feet in here. I just like to single handle. Plus I like the opportunity to show it because there's a lot of unilateral single arm, single leg work that you can do. So I don't really have a name for this, but it's kind of like a play off of like these primal animal movements, these kick throughs. You're in this plank position. You're going to kick a leg through, to take it up. You're also going to lift a hand. I'll show some variations too, to make it easier, harder. But let me show you. We're also going to add a push-up because why not? So single leg. See my leg out here. Push up. Now, that might look easy. Maybe it does it, maybe it does. I don't know. It's definitely great, and then you would want to work both sides. It's a little bit of a single arm power movement, kick through, using a lot of core rotation and then of stability and balance on that other arm. So if you don't have those components, one way you could bring this down is still add that push-up. If you can do a single leg push-up, you could kick through, just bring that arm up like this. You could still add a little bit of power and quickness, but you see I can stay there. But before, a little bit more challenging. That's your move 1. As far as reps, I don't know. Do what you can quality-wise and then call me and let me know how we can progress it, because if you do that all the way out quality, you probably won't get out a whole lot in the beginning. If you're getting out like 20 or something, something's off. All right, anyways, the next one, same idea, a little bit of core. We're going to unravel these. Knees stay at level. It's a pendulum, but we're going to add, again, more of that stability, balance, reactional timing by lifting up the hands. You can't add a push-up if you didn't do the push-up with the last one, but right now we're just going to show you a little bit of a swinging plank. And then we're going to kind of lift the hands. You'll see. If you got something like a rig behind me or behind you, just be careful, you'll hit your legs. So this is actually going to be harder than initially because I got to walk my hands out so I don't hit my legs into that. So anyways, we're in that, so I want to make sure, yeah, I'm good. And then you're just going to swing. And then you can lift higher as you get better. You know, you can add a push-up, a little power. Swing. Now, if you want to just challenge the core, you could just keep the hands on there. This is just as challenging. And there you go, a little pendulum with a little hand release. Again, lift the hands higher, little quality. Make sure you're not slamming those hands down, that you have control over the movement. Let me catch my breath. And then the third one is we got some handstand walkouts, and then you can kind of just play with the legs. Do a little core that way in a handstand position. So I'll show you that one. We're going to go in reverse on this one. Now I could walk that way. Actually, you know what? Yeah, no, I'll walk this way. So You can see it a little bit better. Woo! So here we go. You get to see my face upside down. So again, make sure that you've got the stability and the strength, and then make sure you're not sinking and pressing down so your feet don't slide out of those handles. So here we are, inverted-ish, and we could add some core. You could add some fun stuff here. Play around with it. If you're up a level, you can even add push-ups to it. You could even just hold, you know, stuff like that. Pretty cool stuff with TRX. Now again, if you still think this is easy, there's levels up for all these movements that we can talk about. But I just want to show you, again, you don't have to go to this, but I encourage you, if you're not doing TRX, all because you think it's easy, then you're setting some limitations on something that could actually make you better. Some of my favorite things about TRX is how it can take stability, instability to another level, core strength. So some of these weaker points that often get injured could be because of weak stabilization, the stabilizing muscles, which just does an amazing job that sometimes free weights just can't hit. You could also add some extra power. So for those athletes out there, some power and explosiveness, especially rotational movements like that. Great. Shoulder stability. Again, if you haven't been paying attention to my channel, I've had shoulder injuries on both shoulders. I tore all 4 rotator cuffs on this, had some AC issues on this, and I'll tell you what, progressions prior to this and leading up to these things is what's gotten me to be almost injury proof. Again, we could always get injured. I could fall off something, you know, but in the end of the day, my injuries become fewer and far between because I'm able to do things like this, compliments of the TRX straps. So, and yes, and no, I am not a sponsor of them. I just want you, I just love them so much because I've seen what they've done in my life and a lot of my clients. So that's why I share this with you guys on TRX Tuesday. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. 3 challenging movements you probably aren't doing or you haven't thought about doing to take your workout to the next level, to get you to move better, feel better, and just feel awesome and live a better life. Take care, guys. Hey, thanks for checking out videos just like these. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click on notifications below to stay up to date on all these videos that we post here throughout the week. And again, tag a friend underneath if you think they might benefit from these videos. And if you need further training or further information or a little more personalized programming to meet your needs, we can create a customized roadmap to meet your needs here at FlexMP. Just click on that link below. Again, contact us today at FlexMP to get you moving better, living better, and feeling better.